In this video, we are going to be analysing AVCT. So to get straight into it, firstly, always do remember that fundamentals are always going to be the key driver, especially in stocks like this, because they can move just so harshly off news. And that could either be to the up or downside. For example, if you have AVCT, a rumour come out that there's a buyout coming, this stock is going to skyrocket. On the other hand, if you hear a reverse stock split is coming, the stock's probably going to fall quite heavy. So always be paying attention to the fundamentals, because that is always going to be the key driver. But onto the technical levels, what are we paying attention to? So using the longer term time frame, so a 6-month and 1-year chart, we do have resistance levels at 450 and 705. So we will note these levels because these are on the longer time frame. These are going to be stronger levels, but considering these are so far, we need the stock to go up nearly 300% or over 300% to get to that level. What we will instead do is go into a 20 and 30 day chart to give us some closer levels to where we are now, so we can actually get some more trading opportunities in the near term. So as of right now then, our closest resistance is 195, 266, 308 and 420 and 375, and these are then going to be the key resistances we're paying attention to, because again, these are either on the shorter term time frame, or you got that 440 level, which is going to be that first deviation from the 6-month chart. So these will be the key resistance we're paying attention to, and again, you don't need to pay attention to all of these levels. All you ever need to do is pay attention to the closest one you're at. And what do we mean by that? So currently our closest resistance is $1.95. So all we would do is wait for a move to this level, and then the real question is, can we break it, can we not? And we don't just mean go straight through as a break. What we want to see is a break through it, come back to retest it as a support, and if it can hold, then expect to push to 266. On the other hand, if we come up to 195 and just start to fade, then we know that level is too strong, at least for the time being. We're most likely going to continue to fade, and where would that fade most likely take us to? And we can see that would most likely take us to around the statistical mean at 80 cents, but obviously still quite far off from where we are now. So do be paying attention to that psychological level at $1, and also that 52-week low, or at least a 30-day low. I can't see the long term. I think though that was the 52-week low at $1.03. And if we were able to break both of those supports, and we would have a final level at 40 cents. So these would be the key levels we're paying attention to. And again, fundamentals always a key driver. So if you see fundamental news comes out, let the move play out. You're probably better off playing with the move. And then once you kind of steady down, you see the volume start to die down, then you can start looking at those technicals again to kind of get that better entry and look for those better targets. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.